Welcome to Toby's YouTube channel. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? And how did you spend your Christmas? Wow, I just want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel and for coming back. And watching my videos. You people are the real MVPs. Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate you. This video, like you already seen, it's just me cleaning my house on Christmas Day, and taking time to just relax and enjoy the day, because I don't get days like this often, so I made almost the best use of it. Enjoy the video. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm done cleaning and we're about to watch Emily in Paris. We're gonna make some cheesy bread and then watch movie. Why do I have a serious look right now? Like I'm doing some project or something. I cannot finish because I get tired of dough real quick. So we're just gonna keep whatever is left. It says for a softer feel, wrap in foil. So I'm just gonna compare. Wrap one in foil. And I'm gonna leave the other one plain. And we're gonna compare and see if truly this works. So waiting for the oven to heat 425. It's not there yet. And then we're going to bake. Alright, the oven just reached 425. I'm gonna place in the oven and set a timer. Oh, no. Set a timer for 10 minutes. And then we'll see you after 10. Before that, I'm gonna make me tea. As a proper Niger girl, I cannot do without peak milk. We don't do liquid milk over here. So here I kind of tried both of them, and I do not like the soft one. That's personally my opinion. I like it crunchy. I like when I'm eating crunchy things. It was too soft. It felt like it was soggy and not done. But if that's what you like, you know, do you? But I prefer it plain in the oven and not wrapped in foil. Alright, that's the video.
I like Paris, but I'm not really sure Paris likes me. I like you. Emily, hi! Wait, this is so crazy because you weren't interested in this neighborhood.
We don't know each other.
I really like her.
So I think too.
Oh, what do you mean stupid friend and you had a girlfriend? Let's figure all those kind of friends. But you're gonna be friends with her, but just so you can stay close to her hot boyfriend. I'm not doing that. I'm the girl who shows up, not the girl who makes bad decisions.
Paris is definitely my dream destination. Just look at the wall right there. I aspire to aspire. I spent the rest of the evening watching movies, and that's the end of the video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Peace.